Hi, I'm Kristen Reyes with the Reyes Home Team, and I'm here with my good friend Jessica Pulio, who owns Spaces Reimagined. Jess has actually helped me out with a few different staging projects as well as designing my own home, so she's going to tell you a little bit about what she does.
Yeah, thank you so much. So Spaces Reimagined is a full-service interior design company. We help streamline the home buying, selling, and living experience by offering individual services that also include home staging and organization. So today we're here at one of my really big projects, Katie and Orson White. We started working with the Whites, actually doing a closet design, and it's kind of skyrocketed and snowballed into a much larger addition. So it's been really fun to work with them over the years and kind of hone in on their specific design style. So with this project, we started with a full kitchen remodel, an addition of a mudroom and laundry room, as well as a dining room and living room space. For all of our design projects, we start with really honing in on the client's specific needs and wants of the space. You can make a room really pretty, but functionality is always key, because if it's not functional, then it's not worth the investment. So sitting down with Katie and Orson and really figuring out what they wanted out of each of the different areas was something that was really important to get an idea of what direction that we were going to move in. Working with the different design boards was a way that we were able to give a visual representation of the type of style that we were going to go after. Visual is always very important in the design process, and a lot of people are bringing us in as interior designers because they can't, see the big vision. So that's what we try and help them do by creating the mood boards. It's also imperative by bringing in vendors who are able to help put those architectural drawings into place, so then you can kind of get a glimpse of what the space is actually going to look like. To start the whole concept, the kitchen was the main piece that we were really working off of, and the navy blue island was definitely the showstopper and the pop of color that we wanted, and it completely set the tone for the rest of the home. And from there, it's just about pulling in the different pieces of the flooring and the cabinets, the tile, the backsplash, all the different elements together to make sure that we're creating a nice cohesive flow throughout the space. One of my favorite parts of this project has been designing the mudroom and the laundry room. This was a space where Katie and Orson definitely let their playful side come into it and be a little bit funky. And it's also the first glimpse that you get when you walk in through the garage, which is the family's main entrance into the home, that you get the sense of style that flows throughout the rest of the home. So it was important to introduce the color scheme right off the bat. And then as you're flowing through the kitchen and the dining room and living room, each of those colors are playing together without one feeling too dominant, or that there's too monochromatic of doing an all white kitchen or white on the walls, different things like that. So color is definitely important, and thinking about that flow throughout the home was something that we really had to keep in mind as we were designing the whole space. Working with Katie and Orson is definitely one of the reasons why we love doing interior design projects and getting to bring their personal style into their new home. So we would love to help you with your next home project.